question 14 is the same, and they asked the same question in question paper 11. So let's see, we have some numbers. I know I need to do a calculation. And the last question in the question is which statement is correct. So I just test each one quickly. Average cost is lowest when 10 units are produced. Is that true? Let's see. Total costs, average costs at 10 is 100 divided by 10. So average cost is 10 for 10. For 20, average cost is 120 over 20 is 6. So no. Here the average cost is 5. So no, average cost is actually decreasing. Let's see B. The firm does not make any profit when 20 units are sold. Well, let's see. 120. Average cost for 20 units is 120 over 20 equals 6, right? 24, yep, 6. And, but we sell the product for 6, so 0 profit. So B must be true. So we can look at C. It says the firm has no fixed costs. Well, maybe we don't know. We know total costs. And, actually, C cannot be true because they tell us our fixed costs. If we produce 0, our total cost is 40. So fixed costs you must pay even when you produce 0. So we know our fixed costs are 40. And here they have D. Total variable costs fall continuously over these outputs. Well, it's rare for total variable costs to fall when you increase production. And total costs and total variable costs increase. Total variable costs fall continuously over these outputs. 160. No, total variable costs increase continuously over these outputs. Next, let's do 15 and 16. Okay. Question 15. Which statement about fixed costs is correct? Let's see. They exist only in the long run. No, that in the long run, there are no fixed costs. So statement about fixed cost is correct. They include raw material and direct labor costs. No, raw material and direct labor are variable costs. And C says they increase at the same rate as output. No, the fixed costs are fixed. They stay the same, regardless of output. So D must be true. Let's see. They must be paid even if there is no output. Yes, true. Like our previous question. Here, we know our fixed costs are $40 because when we produce nothing, we still pay those fixed costs. How about question 16? Which is a supply-side policy? Supply-side policies to increase production, to increase the quantity, and perhaps improve productivity. So increasing interest rates that's monetary policy. No. So B is increasing taxation, which is fiscal policy. C, provide training courses. Yes. Providing training courses is supply-side policy. because when workers have higher skills after their training, their productivity will increase and the supply curve will shift to the right. Selling government bonds that's interesting. This is also monetary policy. If you sell government bonds, you reduce the money supply. But that's not supply side. Training courses are supply side policy.